Hi, myself G. Mounika, working as assistant professor in Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today, I am going to discuss a topic PHP array and strings in web technologies. Let's see what is an array. Array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. If you have a list of items like example car names, book names, which can store in a single variable, like for example, we'll see $car1 equal to Volvo. Here, array is declared using a dollar sign. Dollar sign is must and should while we are declaring the array. Thus, we can declare the single variable like $car1 equal to Volvo, whatever the way. If you have a books list, $book1, book2, like that. Numbering is important because we are telling it can hold more than one value at a time, right? So, if you have a list of items, storing the car name in a single variables look like this. However, what if you want to loop through many number of cars, like if you want any one specific car name, then how about that? Like, however, if you want to loop through the cars and find a specific one, and what if you had not 3 cars but 300? So, okay, we from the above example, we have told like we can assign a single variable one by one to array. So if I want to retrieve 300th car number, so how can? It is not possible, right? So that here we can use here loop statements. Loop statements if you use by according to the increment and numbering, we can get the 300th value of the car. So the solution is to create an array. So array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to a index number. So suppose if you have a $car1 equal to some Volvo and $cars 300 equal to some Hyundai. Next, now I want to retrieve this. So here we use arrays. By using this reference value, this 300 number reference value, we can get the value of car 300, that is Hyundai. Let's see with an example. See how to create an array. First, what is an array? Array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So how to create an array? In PHP, we use array function is used to create an array. So array in PHP, there are three types of arrays. First one is index array, associate array, and multidimensional array. Coming to what is indexed array? Indexed array is nothing but array can be called using a numeric index, and associative array is nothing but arrays with the named keys. So if you mention the named keys, by you can retrieve that by calling the named keys. Multidimensional arrays containing one or more arrays, then we will use this multidimensional arrays. Coming to first one, index array. What is an index array? Index array is nothing but arrays with a numeric index, right? Let's see with an example. There are two ways to create an index array. First one is we can assign automatically. So the index can be assigned automatically, like starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So here we have taken the example $cars equal to array. Here from starting 0, 1, 2, 3. Automatically indexing value will be done. Or we can assign it manually. How we can assign? That is cars equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Here directly we are creating an array, and directly we have keeping the values. So here the assigning is done automatically. Here we have to do manually. Means for the 0th value, I only need this Volvo. For first value, I only need BMW. For second one, I only need Toyota. Like that, here we are indexing manually. So with an example, we'll see. The following example is to show how we'll create an index array named with a $cars which assign 3 elements. Then we'll print the text. Let's see with an example. So how now we are declaring the PHP. Now we are creating the array as $car equal to array Volvo, BMW, Toyota. So here we are assigning a values by their index value, that is assigning automatically. Echo is used to print the value. So I am writing I like $cars 0 and $1 and $2. So here how I'll get the output? First now I like next $0. $0 means it will go to the array to check the value of 0 where we have this. So it will go to the array, check here $0 is Volvo. Next, and coming to $1 is BMW and Toyota. So thus here using index array we can create like this example. Next, how to get the length of an array? So array contains many values, right? So how to get the length of the array? Using a count function. So count function is used to return the length of an array. See, by example, here we have a declared $cars as an array and we want a count, that is echo count equal to array name. What is that array name? $cars. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 is an example. So that's how calling the count function we can get the result. Next, loop through an index array. So first we have seen a simple index array. Now we'll see loop through. If it has many values, then how it automatically calls? Let's see. To loop through the points, print all the points of an index array. You could for loop. Okay. So we are declaring the PHP and we are creating an array. Here we need array length because to loop the last number of length we have to know array length. So $array length equal to count of our array. Yes. For here we have created first x equal to 0 and $x should less than this array. Yes. We have given suppose the count of cars is 3. Then the value should be less than 3 and also increment to increment like first one, second one, third one. For that this increment will be there. Now I want to display $cars equal to $x. What is $x? $x is nothing but looping statement value. If it is 0, then it will go for 0th value where it is located 0 Volvo. Then it will print. After that it will check for the length 1 less than 3. It is okay. Then increment 0 will be incremented to 1. Then in first position it is BMW. Like that in second position it is Toyota. Thus it will display the result. Coming to associate array. What is associate array? Associate array are the arrays that use named keys that you assign to them. Okay. They use named keys which can be assigned to them. There are two ways to create an associate array. First one is named keys assigning their values directly. That is $age equal to array of Peter, their respective value is 35. It has it. Named key is Ben and the respective value is 37. And Joy and 43. Thus, we are assigning the values for the named keys or else we can directly assign using manually. How? That is $age of Peter equal to 35. Like that manually we can arrange. Next, let's see with an example. See, after declaring the PHP, we are creating an array as $age. $age, we are giving a named key and their values as follow. And now I want Peter equal to this. Let's see what is the output for that. The output will be echo. What is this? Peter is, what we have calling here? $age equal to Peter, right? What is a $age? It will go to the $age. What is a $age? It is an array. So it will go to array. It will check for $age of Peters. Where is a Peter? It will check for Peters. For Peters, what is the assigned value? 35. After 35, what is the statement? Years. This will be the years old. 35 years old. This will be the output for the example. Clear with this? Yes. Next, we will go through loop through an associate array. We have seen up to here indexed array. Let's see with the associate array. To loop through and print all the values of the associate array, you could use for each loop. Which loop we are using? For each. So here we are declaring the PHP. We are declaring some array for each of $age as $x implies $y. That means that $x value should be equal to the value given. Thus, how we'll print echo? What is the key? Key equal to Peter. What is the value? $x value equal to 35. Next, key equal to Ben, comma value equal to 37. Thus, why we use BR? To break the sentence into a new line. Thus, we'll get the output like this. Loop through an associate array. Next, what is sorting array? PHP sorting array. Sorting array functions are nothing but which can sort the different variables or different name of different things will be present. There we need to have a sorting array, because to divide them into different group of items or different groups, there we need this sorting function. So first one is sort. What is sort function? Which will be sort in the ascending order. Next, what is the R sorting? R sorting is nothing but which will be sort the list of items in the descending order. A sort. Sort associate array in ascending order according to the value. Where there will mention the values, right? Peter equal to 25, 35, 45. According to that value, it will arrange in the form of a ascending. Next, K sort. What is a K sort? Sort associate array in a ascending order using key. So here we can know easily by key. A sort is nothing but according to the value, and K sort is nothing but according to the key. Coming to AR sort. Sort associative array in descending order according to the value. KR sort is nothing but which can be sort according to the descending order using the key value. These are the many functions in arrays. Coming to sort array in ascending order. The following example shows how sort array function works. So, first we declare the PHP. We'll open the PHP script. We are declaring $car equal to array Volvo and BMW and Toyota. Now we need to sort the car. So, we use the sort function to the array. Sort cars. Now, what is this C length? C length is nothing but length of the array equal to count of cars. Yes, the length should be matched to the count of car, or else the looping will be continuously assigned. Here, the for x is equal to 0, x less than, this should be less than the count length. Next, increment. Echo $. Let's see with some examples. So, first one is 0. 0th bit is there. It should be less than a length. Length is nothing but equal to count. What is a count? 3. 0, 1, 2. 2. Then, echo car of $x. First one is $x, right? So, what is a $x? 0. Of this, it will check with the length. Length. After checking the length, it will increment. After incrementing, it will become 1. 1 is nothing but BMW. Next, echo BR. Next, going to BR. Again, it will check with 1. 1 is less than this, and 1 increment. After 1 increment, it will become 2, and Toyota. Next, BR. Next, Volvo. Thus, this is a example for sort array in ascending order. Coming to now sort array in descending order, that is R sort. What is R sort? R sort is nothing but sort array in descending order, right? So let's see with an example. The same way we need to create an array. In the place of sort array, sort of $cars, we'll replace here R sort. And the length should be equal to the count of cars, and here for loop echo cars display. Now using this length, there we have a less than, and we are incrementing the same. So here the first one is 0. According to the values, we will see 0, 1, 2, 3. According to the descending order, it will arrange as Volvo, Toyota, and BMW. Thus, we will got the sort array in descending order. Next, coming to sort array ascending order according to the value, that is a sort. With the example, let's see, we are declaring the PHP and we are declaring the array with of 3 members. We are using a sort of function, that is a sort $age. Here now we are creating for each of $age as $x implies $x, that is $x implies $x value. Now echo key equal to, what is a key? Key equal to, what is the key? Dollar value, sorry, x value Peter, comma, value equal to, what is the value assigned for this? 35. Next, the same after BR, going to other line, next line, Ben, value equal to 37. Yes, after that key equal to Joy, value equal to 43. Thus will be the output for sort array, a sort function. Next, going to sort array ascending order according to the key. Yes, let's see. So we are giving an array value, value key, and like that we have mentioned 3. Here we are using the function k sort of $age. Yes. So for each $age as of x implies $x value. Yes, previously also the same thing. $x equal to $value, $x value. So now key equal to output will be key equal to $x. What is a $x? Ben. Why it is Ben? Because we are going to ascending order. We are sorting the array in the form of using values, right? Ascending order. So key equal to Ben, value will be 37. After that again, next key equal to Joy, value equal to 43. After Peter, we'll get the Joy, 35. Next, sort array in descending order according to the value, AR sort. After declaring the array with the values, key values, AR sort of any given array we assign. So for each $age as $x implies $x value, right? So here what is the syntax? Key equal to $x. What's the $x? That is a value. So first how will come? It is a descending order. Descending order means big to small. So key will be Joy, value, what is the biggest one? 43. Like that, Ben's value 37 and Peter value 35. Peter value 35. This will be the output for sort array descending order. What is ascending order? Small to big. That is, small means it should be Peter 35, Ben 37 and Joy 43. Thus, a sort example is clear, right? Okay, let's go to sort array descending order according to the key. So now it is according to the key. So we are declaring the value, giving the key values, k sort. What is the function we are using? K sort of $age. K sort of $. For each $age equal to $x implies $x value. Echo that key equal to $x, value equal to $x value. Echo BR. How it will print? So what is the key value? Key value is key. Coming to value is x value. Value equal to what? First one is Peter, key equal to value equal to 35. After that 43. After that 47. Yes, because we want it in the form of a descending order, right? Coming to with this array, right? Array which is nothing but which can hold one or two more values, and in that we have three types: indexed array, indexed array, associative array, next sorting arrays, with the clear with this looping through associative and everything. Now let's see the string functions. What are the string function? What is string? String is nothing but a word. String functions are nothing but we have many number of string functions. String is nothing but a group of sentences or group of words together is called string. Here the PHP, to get the length of the string, how to get the length of the string is nothing but we use string length. String length is a function which is used to return the length of a string. Suppose we have a hello world, then what is the length of the string? It is 12. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. With space, it is 12. Thus, we'll get the length of the string. So, how we'll call the string? We are declaring the PHP echo string length equal to whatever the sentence we want to give, we can give, and the output will be 12. Including space, it will take the length of the string. Coming to count the number of words in a string. So after we are counting, we are getting the length of the string. Now count the number of words in a string. How? String word. What is the function we are using? String word count. String word count function counts the number of words in a string. How? Let's see with an example. So I have given hello world. Previously we have counted every letter, right? Here we are mentioning string word count. So we just only count the number of words. So how many words? This hello and world. 2 words. Only 2 words. Now, let's see with how to reverse a string. What is the function we use? We use a function called string reverse. String reverse function is used to reverse a string. So, with an example, we'll see hello world. We have given a two words. So, after applying a string length, let's see what it will come. Totally different like this. D L R O W with a space, including space, it will reverse the string. Search for a specific text within a string. So if I had a group of sentences and words, now I need to search for a specific text. Let's see how. The PHP string position. What is that? PHP string position function searches for a specific text within a string. If match is found, the function returns the character position of the first match. If not match, it will return false. So after using string position, if the text is found, it will return the position number, or else it will result as false. The example below searches for the word in the string. So let's see with the hello world. Here we will search for the word using example string position equal to. So here we have found that string position, right? So string position whatever given, we have to give it 2 parameters. What are those? The one which we give and the word which we want to search. So here we have given a hello world and world. So what is a word we want to search? World. So what is the output? Let's see. Let's count the position. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Including space, it is 6. Yes, it is 6. So the result is 6. So the first character position in a string is always 0, not 1. It will always start from 0. Next, coming to replace a text within a string. So to replace what we are using, string replace. String replace function replaces some characters with some characters. How? Whatever the character we want to replace, we have to mention in the expression. Then we'll get that. How? PHP equal to echo string replace equal to world Dolly hello world. So I want to replace this word by Dolly word, that is hello world. Then the output will be hello Dolly, because I have mentioned that world should be replaced with Dolly. So the output will be hello Dolly. Thus we can use to replace text within a string. So there are so many predefined string functions are there. So please refer the pages in the book, that is the textbook. So you'll get a clear picture idea. Thank you.